Trunk full of packages. Thank you to Lulu for filling up the trunk. What are you playing with, ants? Anyway, guys, welcome back to another video straight to the content. As you guys can see, we got this huge load that we got to take to UPS. It's Saturday. So I'm with my daughter again. She always helps me out because I need a little helper, and she's always here to help me out whenever it is to take these 30 plus packages to UPS. I'm so glad that UPS ships on Saturday. If your package has been damaged by UPS, please leave a comment down below. We've had a lot of people have damaged packages from UPS, whether or not we shipped it air or ground. So please let us know so we can continue to complain to UPS. And if they do damage your package, make sure that you try to get your money back, especially because I think insurance comes with next day shipping or 2-day shipping. So let them know and say, listen, you guys damaged my package. I need the refund or something like that from UPS, because I think that they issue those if they damage your package, especially if it's totally torn up. Because we just mailed some stuff to the guy in the last video, and they destroyed his package. Luckily, most of the prints were able to hold up, but it's really sad. So he's kind of going back and forth with UPS, and it sucks. So we want to switch to FedEx, but the reason why we don't do FedEx is because they're so expensive, and we don't want to go up on prices on shipping. So we're going to take this right now over to UPS and get these orders out. All right, so we're here at the UPS store, our local UPS store. Lulu's taking a bunch of stuff inside. I got a couple boxes left. Ooh, I don't want to show that. Got a couple boxes left, and then headed home to take out everything else. So we got everything, all these, I think it's like 30 here.
All right. I have your assistance.
All right, guys, look how long this receipt is of all those packages. Now it's time to go get breakfast with baby girl because we gotta go eat, and then we got football. So thank you guys for tuning in to this quick little video of us shipping out your stuff. Again, hanging out with my daughter. We just like to make these little vlog style videos for you guys so that you guys can know like kind of the process. Once you start selling the transfers, you guys will know how to do it. So hopefully I'm not too dark right here, but like I said, we ship UPS. Oh, by the way, they also told me that if you have an issue with your package, make a complaint, because they were telling me like a bunch of horror stories of some employees that they had right over here in the parking lot, like just chunking packages and stuff like that. So I don't know, man. If you guys have any issues, let us know, but also make a complaint. And then they also, inside they told us to also make a complaint. So double kind of complain. And they said that they take that stuff very serious. All right, guys, you know my slogan. I'm about to go feed my daughter because we're hungry. Be basic. Peace.